In this series of videos, I'm going to show you how to enhance your Illustrator avatar. And I wound up with something like this. Look, your results are going to vary, but the techniques, strategies, tips that I give you along the way are going to be applicable. You're going to have to trust me that this long set of videos is worth your while. Please don't skim through it, and please try to practice. Don't just watch them. This is not a passive class. It's a hands-on class. You need to try what I'm showing you and try to invent your own way to proceed, because every image is different. Okay? But I do expect you to learn some, not all, some of what I have to say in here. So have some fun with this. Take your time. This should take a few days. Don't hurry. Don't worry, and learn something.